Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be talking about blocking callers on your iPhone. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow the channel and like the video. So let's get started here. Here are some recent calls that I've received on my iPhone. At the very top of the list, you'll see a call from Boston, Massachusetts. I don't recognize this number, and this person did not leave a message, and it's probably a spammer. And what I do these days is I don't mess around trying to call them back or anything like that to figure out who they are. I just assume anyone who doesn't leave a message who I don't know is not someone I want to talk with and is probably trying to sell me something, so I just block them. To block a caller, I'm going to block this particular caller. Tap the I next to the time shown when they called. So this is 9:42 a.m. I'm tapping the information symbol next to it. And then you come to this. You'll see some information about them. For instance, I missed the call today at 9:42 a.m., but at the very bottom of the list is block this caller. Tap that, and it says block contact. You will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on this block list. Yep, okay by me. So this person is now blocked. If you go back, it doesn't say anything about it, but this person will never be able to call me again, and that's what I like. For more information on how to get the most out of technology, check out the In 30 Minutes Guides, available at in30minutes.com. This is Ian Lamont, founder, signing off. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and thank you for watching.